So then we have the titles of our poems and how to write them in a sentence. The same thing is when you are writing the title of a poem, important words need to be capitalized. The first and the last word, all like when you're writing the title of a book, need to be capitalized. Um, the titles of the poems, same thing. The first and the last word need to be capitalized along with other important words. And then words that you do not capitalize are the words like and, it, as, those smaller words. We saw was, of in the other examples. So the only thing that's different about poems is that when you are writing them in a sentence, you want to put them in quotation marks. So how we wrote our dialogue, we put them in quotation marks. You also want to put the titles of poems in quotation marks. So I have two examples. Did you read the poem Little Flower? So you could see our quotation marks right here. And the title of that poem is Little Flower. As you could see, I have the capital of the little and the capital of flower. And then another sentence I have for an example is I wrote a poem named Summertime. We are talking about the name of the title of a poem. The title is Summertime. It is capitalized and it is in its quotation marks because we are talking about it in a sentence. So it's really important when you're working to see if the title is from a book or a poem. If it's coming from a book, you underline it, and if it's coming